Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the headphone jack. The jack in a Motorola phone E15, we start by turning off the phone. Never clean the phone while it's turned on. It must always be turned off. Here's what we need for cleaning. For cleaning the jack socket, we need a small round brush like this. In addition, we need isopropyl alcohol. It should be 100% pure, so it can soften the dirt stuck in the socket and clean all the contacts. And then it should evaporate, leaving no trace behind. You can buy both of these items as a set on Allegro or Amazon. And now we can get started. The jack socket is up here. Here's a nice jack socket, and that's what we're going to clean. So first, what we do is moisten it. The brush along its entire length. It's about 3 centimeters in diameter around. Otherwise, we won't be able to reach the end of the socket, and we won't clean it properly. So we'll use the brush with alcohol and insert it all the way into the socket. Turn it to the right 5 times. After turning it to the right 5 times, turn it to the left 5 times. This way, all the contacts inside will be cleaned, and then pull it out, so if there's any dirt inside, it will come out with the brush. Insert it again, and once more, turn it right and left 5 times each, then pull it out. And we repeat this about 5 times in each direction. 5 times. We insert and remove the brush in each direction. After turning it 5 to 10 times, you'll have a perfectly clean socket. Take it out and everything is ready. Set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol can completely evaporate, because it will evaporate and leave no trace at all. After that, you can turn the phone on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And see you in the next video.